Hi, this is the Oppo A98 and I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on this device. So I just set up my fingerprint on the power key button here to the fingerprint scanner, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint and we'll see how fast this option is and does it works. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct, and we just unlock the device successfully without any problems. You could try this unlock method, but don't forget that the fingerprint is less secure than the passcodes or PIN code unlock methods. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.